Hey guys, today we're talking about man makeup. What's up guys, welcome back to Gents Lounge. I'm George. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, hit that right now. We are here every week talking about men's fashion, lifestyle, and everything in between. And this is gonna be one of those in-between videos today. So as you can imagine guys, we get reached out to all the time with people and products wanting us to promote them on this channel. And I have to be honest guys, we say no to a lot. But recently a lot of makeup companies for men have been reaching out to me. And I kept saying no, and then the more and more they reached out, the more I just said, send the products over, we'll try them out, we will see what they're like, and if we like them, we will talk about them. So today, I am going to test them all out on camera. I have no judgments, this is not sponsored at all. I'm going to put on all of the makeup that has been sent to me, and you guys can judge for yourself. All right guys, so today we have 3 products. 2 of them kind of do the same thing, but up first we have Volt Instant Beard Color. So basically I tried this out about a week ago just to see if it worked and if it made a difference, but it's pretty much like mascara for your beard. It washes out with soap and water, but it does not kind of rub off. I literally put it on, wore it to bed. I have white pillowcases and there was not brown streaks on my pillow. So as for uses for this, I see this as, if you have a patchy beard or if you're trying to grow a beard and you're going through that patchy phase, this will be great to kind of darken it up and have you not look as raggedy as a patchy beard does look sometimes. All right guys, so basically we're gonna open it up. So it comes in this cool packaging. It looks like a tiny liquor bottle. Honestly, I've seen liquor bottles in similar packaging. Pretty cool, pretty manly for man makeup, and comes in a little bag. So inside the bag is the Volt beard dye, and then you also get a baby comb so you can brush out your beard or your mustache, and some prep and clean solution. So it is a dye, so if you get it on your skin, you just kind of use this to remove it. So basically you kind of give it a good shake, sounds like a can of spray paint, and then twist open, and you open it up, and like I said, it honestly does look like mascara. And yeah, you just kind of brush it through the beard. So now I'm going to apply it and you guys can see the before and after. So I have my phone down here as a little mirror so I can see what the hell I'm doing. So if I'm looking down, don't mind me. Here we go. All right guys, and here you go. I'm not sure if you guys can see a difference right now, but I'll have a before and an after up there right now. And just by looking at my phone down here, I can see that, the blonde hairs in my beard are significantly darker. So my beard looks a little bit thicker, a little bit fuller. And I honestly think it looks kind of different for me because I'm not used to seeing myself this way. The first time I tried it out, I literally asked my wife, I was like, hey, do you notice anything different about me? And she's like, why is your beard so dark? So it really does work if you have a light colored beard. I highly recommend, trying these guys out if you want something that's not a permanent solution like a just for men beard dye or something like that. This is kind of, whenever you want to do it. If you want a darker beard on a Saturday night, hey, Volt it up, right? Last time I did this, I got stuff all over my face and I had to use the cleaning solution, but this time I think I did a pretty good job. So basically this comes in 3 different colors. There's mud brown, which is the one I was using, chestnut, which is kind of a brown red, so if you got a red beard, and then ebony, which is a brown black. So 3 different colors. I'll have a link to them down below. Now moving on to the next brand. So up next guys is Strix, and what these guys do is they make kind of like a concealer pen, which is, I guess, if you have, pimples or just kind of spots you want to clear up, if, a little bit of the under eye stuff and whatnot. And then they have a tinted moisturizer. So basically instead of putting your regular moisturizer on in the morning, you would put this. So if you have kind of like a redness or, you know, a little bit of a weird tint to your skin, this will kind of just even everything out and make everything look smoother. Honestly, it doesn't really look like you're wearing makeup at all. It just kind of keeps your skin one color, which honestly I think is a good thing, because if you're in an interview or in the office and, you know, you got something big coming up, you really don't want people staring at your pimples or, you know, discoloration on your face. You want people to talk to you and listen to what you have to say and not be staring at, you know, your pimples or your super patchy beard. So I can see some uses for man makeup, and, you know, I know a lot of you guys are probably going to comment and say, this is so girly and it's so weird. But I'm going to tell you that, you know, I'm sure you also thought skinny jeans weren't going to be a thing, and look where we are now. And, you know, leave us a comment down below what you guys think about this. If you think it's a trend that's going to last, if you would actually use makeup, do you think it's, you know, going to be a mainstream thing? And if so, how long do you think it will take to get there? Because I know it's being adopted in some different categories, but I don't think it's a mainstream thing yet. So up next, I'm going to try the Strix Concealer Pen. I'm going to try to get rid of these under eye circles. Basically just because I am super jet lagged, because I spent the last 20 days in Asia and I'm 12 hours opposite sleep schedule. So I've been waking up at 4:30 in the morning every morning for the last 4 days. And yeah, I've got some under eye circles, which I don't want you guys staring at. So let's see how it works. So basically it looks like a real pen. Honestly, I don't think anyone would ever notice that this is makeup if you saw it in a bag or around your house. And basically it just works like a little pencil, twist it, and then this little color comes out. This comes in a few different colors as well, but they only sent me my skin tone. So I'm gonna try this out right now. So basically you just kind of want to draw it on and then take a finger and just kind of blot it in, rub it in. All right guys, so that's, you know, super simple. I do have a pimple over here too, but I'm going to see what the tinted moisturizer will do with this. So stay tuned for that, but that pretty much, I don't know if you guys can see the difference. But, you know, it just lightens up the under eyes a little bit, so you look a little less tired and a little less like you've been up for 24 hours straight. Now, onto the tinted moisturizer. Basically, this is a little more makeup-esque, I would say, but it also does kind of look like a cologne bottle or a bottle of deodorant. So this is a little more, you gotta be a little careful. So when you unscrew it, it does kind of drip a little bit, and you don't need a lot to go a long way. So, all right, I'm going to apply the tinted moisturizer right now and see how it goes. All right, here we go. All right guys, I'm not sure how this looks on camera right now, but looking at my iPhone from what I'm using for a mirror, it looks pretty even, pretty good. I think I did have some redness because I didn't apply any moisturizer after I got out of the shower. All right guys, and last but not least, I have two honorable mentions. This Menagy Camo pretty much does the same thing as the Strix Concealer tool. I've been using this one for like the last 3 years and I still have it, but I think the color on this one matches my skin tone a little better than the Strix. So I do think I would probably use this one over the Strix, but if you have a lighter skin tone, I highly recommend that one as well because it definitely gets the job done, but this one just kind of matches my skin tone a little bit better. And then I do have one more thing that I'm going to preface in this video, but it will be coming out soon. So if you have not hit the subscribe button yet, hit that right now. You guys can check out this. This thing is pretty cool. So this thing is called Zit Sticker, and basically it is a little circular sticker that if you have pimples kind of about to come up, but they haven't quite came to the surface yet, you throw this patch on, let it sit for 2 to 8 hours, and then it's supposed to reduce the redness and get rid of the pimple completely. So you never have to pop the pimple, and it's supposed to just clear everything up. So this video is coming out next. I'm going to take care of this guy right here, but I do need 8 hours. So I'm going to put it on, I'm going to head to bed, and then I'm going to take it off in the morning. All right guys, so that pretty much wraps up the video. I know this isn't a popular topic yet, but I think it's something that you guys should know about. So we are doing this video, and let me know in the comments below if you guys would try the Strix or any of the kind of makeup concealing products, or if you guys would try the beard dye to kind of thicken and darken up your beard on a daily basis versus something like a Just for Men beard dye that you could just do it once and get it over with. So if you guys have not hit the subscribe button yet, hit that right now. Follow us on Instagram @gentslounge, and we will see you on the next one, guys. Cheers.